With WebFOCUS Mobile Voice, it's possible to access information from your applications using only your voice and a mobile device, such as a tablet or mobile phone. No computer needed. This new feature enables you to build voice-enabled conversational applications that recognize voice requests for information. Mobile voice is activated by speaking an intent phrase, which you define, into the microphone on your mobile device. The application can then run a report, chart, or dashboard. Speak a configurable sentence that includes relevant information from your data sources. Ask the user for more information before providing the requested information. By accessing WebFOCUS with a WebFOCUS mobile license, you can use mobile voice with any existing WebFOCUS content, or create new content and use mobile voice to interact with data in various ways. Before you can begin to interact with mobile voice, you or a domain developer in your organization must set up voice-enabled content and identify the data values that will be indexed for your queries. The first step in using mobile voice is to identify the content you want to use. You can use mobile voice to do everything from running a simple report to engaging in an interactive conversation between you and WebFOCUS by using parameters defined for content created in applications, such as WebFOCUS Designer or InfoAssist. Once your voice-enabled content is set up, you can access it through the WebFOCUS homepage from the WebFOCUS mobile app for iOS devices or from the Google Chrome browser on your Android device or desktop. All mobile voice queries are initiated with an intent phrase. These phrases provide an intent or predefined criteria that can be used to learn more about the data that is available to you. Intent phrases will vary greatly and should be defined using the available data in your repository. When setting up these phrases, some questions you can ask are: who will be searching for this data? What information is searched for regularly? Does the user know exactly what parameters to search for? For example, let's say we want to set up mobile voice to run a frequently accessed chart or report that shows store revenue for different products. If we define the intent phrase to be, show me all store sales, WebFOCUS will run the related content that shows store sales for all store locations. But what if you don't want to view an entire report? What if you just want to ask WebFOCUS about specific fields in your data and have it verbally respond back with the values that pertain to them? You can do that by building upon the previous report example that shows store revenue for different cities and adding the additional criteria to your report. First, we must set the required parameters in the report that will be used as WebFOCUS prompts. This can be done by defining filters for your content. In this example, we use InfoAssist to create two filters, one for product category and one for store name. Then we will use the InfoSearch Index Builder to create a dimensional data procedure to define these dimensions, so that mobile voice knows what to use to search through your repository content. Lastly, we will add a talk-text compute expression to the report that can read back the search query result and prompt you for additional information. As you can see in the expression shown on the screen, the defined expression is set to provide store sale information for the prompted location and is formatted in the following way. Once these parameters are defined and you have loaded dimensional data into the search index, WebFOCUS prompts you for them before verbally responding to your query, resulting in the following interaction between you and mobile voice. What were store sales?
Please say a value for store name.
Chicago.
Please say a value for product category.
Televisions.
Store sales for the Chicago location were $1,385,951 on total shipments of 1,687.
To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.